Alright guys, today we're going to be reviewing a smart toilet. This smart toilet has a lot of great features. I already installed it. I will show you in a minute. It's back here, down here. You can see it, how it looks. It has some great features. It opens when you choke comes to it. The lid opens for the females on your house. If you're a male, has a sensor on the side that you wave your foot around it and all the lid opens. It's very convenient. The seat warms up. It has bidet included for the ladies to the front part and the back part. It dries. It has a dry button that you can press and it'll blow air. It cleans itself. It has a night light. It has ambient lights. You can change the temperatures of the water on the seat, how hard the stream of water when it comes out, you can control that too. How it brought everything you need to install. It even has a filter to filter the water. So it comes when it comes to your toilet, it will be as clean as it can. It self cleans. It's a great toilet for the price. Let me show you some of the features so you can see it for yourself. Alright guys, let me show you some features that the smart toilet has. You get close to it. When you approach it, the lid goes up automatically. If you're a man and you need to lift the seat, there's a sensor down here. All you do is wave your feet in front of it, right here. You wave it in front of it and the lid opens. You can see here, has the dryer here. That's for the air. Bidet. Has a night light down here. And once you're done, you wave your feet in the sensor, in front of the sensor. Will close the lid, and it flushes. Automatically, you don't have to do anything. You just walk away. It does the same thing after you use it. You just sit, do your business, and then walk away, and it will flush by itself. Has a nice display. See, it's gonna open. Has a control here. You just want to show it. Has a sensor down here like I mentioned before. It was easy installation. It's super nice. Heated seat. So the whole seat gets warm. You can change the temperature of that too if it's too hot or too cold. Has two room temperature. Has 98 degrees and then, or 99 degrees and then 104. It's a very modern looking toilet. You can see has the ambient lights, has the night light, has a remote. You can see here for the bidet and the front part. Wash, dry for the dryer, full flush or half flush, and then on top, so you can stop it, massage wash. Then this is the ambient light. If you hit that, the back of it will light up. See it back there. And then this is the position of the bidet right here. And then you can see the water temperature, air temperature. This if you flip, you just want to flip the seat, the cover and then the seat. Right now it's open, you touch it, it closes automatically. This is a great toilet. It's an amazing toilet. You can see, you don't have to do holes or anything if you don't want to. Comes with 3M. It has the users. So you and your wife, you can hit 1 and 2 and then it will set up all your temperatures and everything you like for 2 users. Then self-cleaning, that's where the bidet self-cleans. Has the night light. You click it, you see it there. It's the night light. You press up a button. So you got the ambient light on the back right there. So now you can have it on to have some ambient. Then you can live, that's a full half flush. Let me open here so you can see. And then it pre-wets the toilet once you sit. It pre-wets the toilet. It's a full flush. Fills the bowl and then flushes. Very powerful. So it's super convenient. So you got the controllers here, remote control. You get buttons here on the side, stop, and then this is for the air and the flushing. And then on the other side here, you have the bidet. Both of the buttons for the bidet. It said it has a beautiful display. You see it here. Very modern. Very nice looking. Flush, temperature, user, water temperature, and there's dry air temperature here too. Amazing toilet. Easy to install everything you need in there. It has it. So if you're looking for a smart toilet, it's gonna do all those things. It looks amazing. There's your toilet right there. So hopefully this video helped, and thank you for watching.